Good morning. This is your social studies lesson for September 11th, 2020. You are basically doing exactly what you did yesterday. So because you need to finish this today. So you are getting time, a complete class period to finish up Homo habilis. There's a couple issues that we've been having, so let me go ahead and let you know what you're going to need to do about that. Some people have been having issues finding pictures. I want to go over that first. So because the word homo is blocked when you're searching something, it's going to automatically on your end filter out the word homo, and you're not going to be allowed to search anything with that in it, unfortunately, because right now we're learning about an early human. So, but the filter is going to make it have a red flag, and you will not be able to search. So, we've come up with a couple of ways that will help. One is you can put in H habilis. Okay, so H habilis will definitely work in terms of being able to find pictures for Homo habilis. Another way that someone in my first period class was doing it was putting the H and then forward slash, okay, habilis. See, and that comes up with Homo habilis, all kinds of things for them. So unfortunately, we just have to work around it. So you're either going to put the letter in H and then habilis, or H forward slash habilis. Another thing you can do, knowing that the Homo habilis, knowing what their shelter is and knowing what the answers are, you can just Google those. So for example, instead of saying Homo habilis shelter, put in the actual shelter. So if you wanted to put in lean-tos, because they didn't really make huts. Okay, remember they made some shelter out of sticks, so that would be more of a lean-to. Let me show you what that is. Stick, lean-to. Okay, so these are pretty complicated ones. They would be really basic, like this one right here, this one right here. Not this one. This is way too complicated. This is way too advanced. Something like this. Okay, something like this. Just sticks leaned up against something is usually what a lean-to would indicate. Okay, so if you know what the item is that you're looking for, you will just Google the item. Do not put Homo habilis in front of it, because then you're going to have a very limited search. And that's pretty much it. You're going to fill out every single one of these sections. Please do not forget that this section does have a lot that you need to put in it. A lot of people left that blank last time. This section should not be called name with pictures. It should be labeled Homo habilis. Also, you need to use complete sentences, and please bullet all of your information. Bullets can be found right here. Those are numbers, number bullets, and these are just bullets. Please use those. It makes it a lot easier for me to see what you have and what you don't have. So complete sentences, pictures. You should be done with gathering all of your information. 2 days ago, you had the assignment due where it was the Homo habilis article with questions. Those were all supposed to be complete sentences. So you basically just need to copy and paste and put the information where it goes. Again, if you're going to be searching for pictures, you cannot put the word homo in, otherwise you'll get a red flag. You need to put an H and then habilis, or H forward slash habilis. Please do not forget this. This is extremely important. This is how you are going to know exactly what to put in each section. So this is telling you exactly how you're going to get full credit for each section. The categories must be capitalized. The categories must be spelled correctly. They have to be bulleted. They have to be in complete sentences, etc. This is the name with pictures, which will be Homo habilis, and then you're going to put in the picture of a skull, a picture of their body or their skeleton, etc. So every single one of these is telling you exactly what you need to put in. Extras is anything that you did not already share here. So you can't put in extras that you can't put in, let's say, their height, because that's already over here. Okay, you're going to put in something new that you learned. If you have any questions, I will be over on the Social Studies Padlet, and I'm going to be answering all questions immediately, at least during our class times. So you are working independently today because you are just finishing up. If you're already done, you need to study. you have a test on Homo habilis on Monday. So it would be a really good idea for you guys to study. If lots of you are done, I can put you 3 people in a breakout room to study, but you must be done with everything before you can do that. So let me know on the Padlet if you're interested in forming a study group during class time, and I can put you guys in a group if you're finished. Again, today by 3:16, this is due, as well as your page. It's all due today. And I know it feels like school is out at 1:53, but that's actually supposed to be catch-up time for you. So if you don't finish this, and I do think you have enough time, but if you do not finish this, you will turn it in or work on it after our class time. So from about 2 to 3:15. Okay, I'll be on the Padlet if you need anything.